The Realme 8 series has adopted this special trend-setting design as well to help make you stand out. Here is the outstanding infinite blue of Realme 8 Pro. Now it's time to showcase the most important part of the Realme 8 Pro, its infinite clarity camera. The Realme 8 Pro sports a classic quad camera setup with a 108 megapixel main camera, an ultra wide angle lens, an ultra macro lens, and a black and white portrait lens. Let's start with the amazing Realme's first 108 megapixel camera with many world's first features. The camera has adopted the third generation ISOCELL HM2 Samsung sensor with 108 megapixel ultra high resolution, along with a 1 over 1.52 inch large sensor and a max resolution of 12,000 by 9,000 pixels. The HM2 is supported by the advanced ISOCELL Plus pixel isolation technology from Samsung. It actually adopts a new material developed by Fujifilm to replace a metal barrier to solve the interference between adjacent pixels. This actually reduces optics loss and cross color, guaranteeing a higher color fidelity and increasing ISO by up to 15%. The smart ISO tech can choose the best ISO automatically according to the environment. So no matter the lighting conditions, you can always take clear, bright, and colorful shots. The larger size of the single pixel guarantees a higher image quality. Besides, the HM2 sensor can also do 9 in 1 pixel binning, which enables 9 adjacent 0.7 micron pixels to be combined to simulate a larger 2.1 micron pixels, improving the image quality even in dim lit conditions. Let's check the sample photos to better understand the real benefit of all these new tech. First of all, the entire image taken by the 108 megapixel camera is so bright and transparent with lively colors that make it more vibrant and warm when we see it first. Let's zoom in by 100%. Textures of the building in the distance can be clearly seen with enough details, which is the advantage of having so many pixels at your disposal. The Nightscape mode also benefits from the new sensor and its cutting edge tech. The camera performance of the Realme 8 Pro is excellent even before you turn on the Super Nightscape mode. That being said, when you do decide to use the new and upgraded Super Nightscape, you'll see that it includes the algorithm of pure raw Nightscape with AI noise reduction and automatic dead pixel removal, making the output bright, clear, and most importantly, clean. The Super Nightscape algorithm of Realme has been updated to the 5th generation with Pro Nightscape, Ultra Nightscape, Tripod mode, and more to handle all kinds of complicated night shooting environments. Besides, we have used the new technology of 3x Ultra Zoom called the in-sensor zoom, which will kick in when you zoom. What does this technology entail? Well, it uses only 12 megapixels of the 108 megapixels that is enlarged to generate that image. Compared with the ordinary crop algorithm, it has a smaller image size and hence can also shoot and process faster due to that. With the clarity enhancement algorithm, 8 pictures can be quickly shot each time, then synthesized and produced to further improve the sharpness. You can actually see this in the comparison of a 3x optical zoom and Realme 8 Pro's 3x ultra zoom. When you zoom into the picture, the details of the 8 Pro camera with the in-sensor zoom tech gives you even higher clarity than a zoomed 3x telephoto optical lens. That's the charm of computational photography, which can achieve a leap forward in photo quality beyond what the hardware usually can do. With the clarity enhancement algorithm of in-sensor zoom, when you click pictures at a distance, the clarity will be close to or even better in some cases than a telephoto lens. Then let's talk about Realme's foundational strength, battery and fast charging. The Realme 8 Pro comes equipped with 50-watt super dart charge, which is the same as the Realme X7 5G and the Realme X2 Pro. With the big 4500 mAh battery capacity, 50-watt super dart charge has shown comparable performance to the 55-watt or even 66-watt fast charge of certain flagships in the market. The Realme 8 Pro doesn't lag behind in capacity either. When utilizing 50-watt super dart charge, the battery only takes 47 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. Yes, just 47 minutes. Comparing with the latest products in the market, the 50-watt super dart charge can save at least half an hour if you charge every day. That's more than 7 days worth over an year of using this phone. The Realme 8 Pro is equipped with a 6.4-inch full display Super AMOLED screen. One of the biggest advantages of a Super AMOLED screen is that the entire phone can be thinner. The thinner light feel of the 8.1mm Realme 8 Pro owes a great deal to the OLEDs. Thanks to the Super AMOLED display, the Realme 8 Pro also features an always-on display or AOD, so that you can see all the important information at just a glance. We have another exciting news for you. The Realme 8 Pro will be the first smartphone to come with Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. The Realme UI 2.0 based on Android 11 is much faster, smoother, and safer. It is one of the most customizable and seamless OS in the market today. So let's sum up the Realme 8 Pro. Our first to feature a 108 megapixel quad camera system, which allows you to take beautiful shots easily with a variety of functions previously that were only available in SLR cameras. The 8-core 8nm processor guarantees smooth performance coupled with a Super AMOLED screen. This device is going to be a feast for your eyes. The 50-watt Super Dart charge is the fastest in this price range and is paired with a massive 4500 mAh battery, something that we've managed to squeeze in into a thin 8.1mm body which only weighs about 176 grams. In other words, the phone is fun to play with and feels just right in your hands. So basically slim and light, packed with versatile cameras, a large battery with Super Dart charging, and a reliable and strong performer in the processor. To conclude, the Realme 8 is a fantastic all-rounder featuring a high-grade 64 megapixel AI quad camera with futuristic design, 30-watt dart charge, a massive 5000 mAh battery, which is in such a slim design, the powerful MediaTek Helio G95 processor, and a 6.4-inch superb Super AMOLED display. Alright, so that's a wrap on our Realme 8 series smartphones.
So for Realme 8 and Realme 8 Pro, I'm proud to announce we start from 128GB only, even with the basic variant. As usual, each of our number series attempts to bring many more innovations to the users. Compared to the Realme 7, the Realme 8 is slimmer and lighter with the new gorgeous infinite bold designs. It comes with a Super AMOLED screen with the most preferred in-display fingerprint sensor. Multiple flaunting camera features like tilt shift photography available on expensive DSLR only, and the new Starry mode, and the seamless Realme UI 2.0 out of the box. It also features 30-watt dart flash charge and a massive 5000 mAh battery with a powerful MediaTek Helio G95 gaming processor. It will come with 3 variants, 4GB plus 128GB, 6GB plus 128GB variant, and 8GB plus 128GB variant in 2 different colors, Cyber Silver and Cyber Black. The Realme 8 4GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs 14,999 only. 6GB 128GB variant is priced at Rs 15,999. And the 8GB 128GB variant is priced at Rs 16,999. First sale starts at 12 noon on 25th March and will be available on Flipkart, Realme.com and stores nearby you. Well, the Realme 8 Pro 6GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs 17,999 only. 8GB plus 128GB variant is priced at Rs 19,999 only.